Today we're going to make a risotto with buckwheat, nettles and some other secret ingredients. You know, I reckon even Superman used to eat nettles. And if you got stung by nettles, then just give it some kisses. Our delicious olive oil. This is a secret mix of our herbs, flowers. This is a mixture of dried vegetables that some friends of ours made. Buckwheat is one of those rare plant foods which has all of the 9 essential amino acids, and it's naturally gluten-free. Now when they're cooked they don't sting you anymore, so we're going to use about that much. Buon appetito! And if you enjoy this video, you'll probably enjoy this video as well, where I teach you how to make vegan and gluten-free lasagna.